onions. So if you like chili, you know what I mean. Okay, so first let's get started. What we need roasted red bell peppers. I just bought mine ready. You can just make it at home, but we'll need, work. So I prefer to just buy it from the shop ready, and that's it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the red bell pepper here and then mix them. Blend them. Okay, just take them like so. Put them in the food processor. Wow, they smell so yummy. They're sweet peppers. So I'm going to make the paste very hot. If you like, you can just leave it sweet, but I like to spread it on the bread and toast it in the oven. I like to add it to many, kind of food. Okay. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, I'm going to mix them, blend them very good. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, so make sure you mix you grind the pepper very good. We don't want any big chunks or lumps in the sauce. See, the sauce have to be very smooth. So what I'm going to do, before taking them off, I'm gonna add on them. Okay, I'm gonna add on them 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and this is optional, as I said. This is half teaspoon. Okay, this is 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, any kind of vinegar. If you don't want to add vinegar, you can just add water. You need to add like 3 tablespoons of water, but I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons to them. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, and also I'm gonna add some chili flakes. Oh, so guys, if you wanna keep it a sweet paste, you can just leave it like so. You don't need to add any chili powder, and cook it a little bit on the cooker. If you don't want it, if you wanna make it really hot, you can just add any kind of chili. So I would like to add chili flakes. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. Oh wow. That smells so good. So I'm gonna mix it for 2 minutes. Woo. Perfect. Here I have a saucepan. I just turn on the cooker on gas mark 6. So I'm going to cook them a little bit. Okay, pour them here. Okay, so I just turn on the cooker. Final step, I'm gonna add some salt to taste. I'm gonna add like, this is 1 teaspoon and another teaspoon. Okay, you can just add less. Okay, so now I'm gonna cook them on medium heat for about 5 minutes. So that's why we just added a little bit of water. We don't want the sauce to be stick or burn. Keep mixing them or stir them from time to time. And and see you after that. Okay guys, this is after 5 minutes on gas mark 3. The sauce is ready now, and I'm gonna turn off the cooker and then keep it aside just to cool a little bit, and then I'm going to pour it in the jar. Alright, see you later. Oh, yummy. Look at this beautiful sauce, guys. I want to keep it for about 1 hour, and then I'm going to close it and leave it with his friends. So all these homemade, look at this, a beautiful jam. I just made it 2 weeks ago. Okay, this is fig jam. So you can check the recipe on my channel. It's called fig jam with walnuts, with nuts. It tastes so yummy and it's really healthy. Also, I just made some labneh. And this is homemade cream cheese, Lebanese cream cheese. So I just prepare the cream cheese at home. And here I made it's called labneh in Arabic. So I just made it into bowls and then store it. It could stay up to more than 1 year with olive oil mixed with sunflower oil and olive oil, and you can just store it like this. It tastes sour, it's so good. So all this stuff you can just prepare it at home, and here I prepare the chili. And okay guys, here we go. So I want to list for you the links down in the description box if you want to give it a try. And this is the chili, roasted pepper chili paste. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe. See you, bye.